In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule your Reels Hootsuite. Scheduling your short video content ahead of time is one of the easiest ways to stay consistent on social media. It also helps you plan around your workload, your audience, and any upcoming promotions. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact process of scheduling a reel using Hootsuite, from creating the post to choosing the date and time. First, click the Create icon. This is usually the main starting point inside your Hootsuite dashboard. When you click it, you are basically opening the Composer area where you can build your post. Take a moment to make sure you are inside the right section, because the Create button is what starts the scheduling flow. Next, select your TikTok business profile. This step matters because it tells Hootsuite which account the scheduled reel will be posted from. Look for the option that corresponds to your TikTok business profile and click to choose it. If you have more than one profile connected, double-check that you are selecting the one you actually want for this content. Now you will drag your video file into the box. This is the upload area for your media. When you drag the file over, you should see a highlighted drop zone or an upload prompt. Release the file only when it looks like the system has accepted it. If the upload takes a few seconds, that is normal, especially depending on your internet speed and the size of the video. After your video is added, select Reel under the Post Format options. This tells Hootsuite what type of post you are creating, so your content is treated correctly. Make sure you choose the Reel option rather than another format, since different formats can have different settings or display behavior. Next, click Schedule for later. This tells Hootsuite that you do not want the post to go out immediately. Instead, you want to plan when it will publish. Once you choose scheduling, the interface typically updates to ask for a specific date and time, so you can set your publish window accurately. Then choose your date and time. When you are picking the schedule, focus on two things: the date and the exact time you want your reel to be published. Many platforms use your configured time zone, so it is helpful to be mindful of that to avoid any surprises. Set the time that matches when you expect your audience to be most active, or when your content plan says it should launch. Finally, click the blue Schedule button. This is the confirmation step that locks in your scheduling details. After you click it, the system should save the post and add it to your scheduled queue. If you look at your calendar or scheduled posts section, you should be able to see your reel listed for the chosen date and time. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.